Hyundai is planning to build a new EV facility in the US. Also, this new EV facility will be serving both Hyundai and Kia. They are going to launch the fully electric SUVs named Ioniq 7 and EV9 in the US market. Now, currently they are in discussion to build a facility in Georgia because they already have some existing plants there. In the statement to Reuters, the Hyundai Motors said that we are excited to announce a new EV plant in the US soon, but we do not have the details to share at this stage. But basically this confirms that finally they are getting new EV plant in US, and this new facility will serve both Hyundai and Kia brand. As you already know, President Joe Biden is pushing for more investment in the EV segment, and Georgia is really doing great stuff here. They are getting really good deals from the different EV manufacturers. It is basically establishing itself as a regional hub for this EV industry. Kia and Hyundai both are launching more than 30 EVs by the year 2030. Also, if we look at these battery suppliers, the Hyundai's own battery supplier SK Innovations battery unit is already there in Georgia, and that is why if they set up this new unit in Georgia, it will be really great for them. Kia also announced recently that they are looking to ship the production to the United States, but they were not considering the dedicated EV factory, and that is why they are coming with Hyundai, and together the both brands will develop EV cars. If we look at the EV models, the 2024 Hyundai's Ioniq 7 is the model Hyundai is going to build here in the US. This new EV from Hyundai will be priced at around $50,000 and will have the range of 300 miles. If you look at Kia, they are launching the concept EV9. They recently showed up this one in this 2021 Los Angeles Auto Show. This one is also an interesting model because they have a solar panel built into the hood. So yeah, both the cars like Kia EV9 and Hyundai's Ioniq 7 will be manufactured in this new EV facility in the Georgia.